This is cool. So I scheduled a test drive with Tesla for the Tesla Model Y, and it automatically added it to the app. And you can see it shows all the details here, where, what time, all of that. You can contact them if anything. They have the map here, and then they have all these things. If you want to learn about the vehicle in advance, you can press here and they'll actually show you a video of those things. So right now so you can see, I'm not going to actually go through and show all the videos, but you can see they have all this stuff here for you. So pretty cool. Alright, so they have all this get to know your Tesla stuff here. Setting up the phone key, using the phone key, using backup key cards, opening glove box, in-app videos, online tutorials, and the manual. So that's pretty cool. Now they have all this stuff where it kind of guides you. Before they didn't have all that stuff. The stuff to set up the phone key, so I'm setting that up now, and you can see it worked. So we're good. Alright, let's try out the self-driving. We have it set to Mad Max mode. I'm gonna let it drive and see how it goes. So far, doing good.
Now turn left onto Cato Road.
Alright. Oh, I need to change the settings. The brightness on this is so dim. What in the world? Alright. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
And now we're at the mountain.
We're going up the mountain. The car's driving itself and it's doing really well.
This is the mountain.
Alright, we're driving up the mountain. Technically the car's driving up the mountain. It's doing really well.
500 feet,
But
right to stay on Mount
I had it on Mad Max mode, so Owen was getting dizzy because it was driving fast and he was playing on his tablet. The high beams, it has, what do you call, where basically, I don't know if you can see the spacing in between the lights. So when it sees cars, you see how it's shutting off on certain spots. That's really nice. So,
and I also saw a big house.
A big house?
Near,
whoa, okay, look.
Yeah, I see some,
Up the hill.
You can see, the more you drive upward, the more stars you can see.
Yep, so
I see
we got a
stars.
telescope. We're gonna try it up in the mountain. Hopefully we're not gonna get in trouble for that.
And it
We
says
just
that
have
you
to
can
find a
actually
place
see
to park,
planets.
and then we'll see if we can see the planets up close.
Yeah, and I doubt it will have planets. I doubt it.
Just don't look at the stars up close, because you might burn your eyeballs. Will it work? I don't think that will happen. It's too far.
I mean, like, stars are like light years away.
Look, there's a big mansion out here.
Yeah, I just saw a house there or something.
Did you know that
But right now I put it on sloth mode, so it won't be as dizzy for Owen.
So, like, you know that.
So he doesn't throw up.
So he doesn't throw up.
So, like, you know, like, stars.
cliff.
They're huge. They're humongous.
Okay, let's
and the
see. A
reason
car's
why
coming.
They're tiny on Earth is because they're light years away.
It's really nice, the
Yeah, they
adaptive high beam. I don't know if they put that on the Cybertruck. I don't think so,
Yeah,
because it just
Another
turns it
car
completely
coming.
off. So let's see how it does.
Oh, see, there's
Oh,
a
it
car
cut it off
stop.
over there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's shutting off even for the stopped cars. Look at that. That's so cool.
That is really nice.
Mom, if you look at the city, it looks
that.
beautiful.
Oh my gosh, I am feeling very uncomfortable.
That's gonna roll off the cliff.
Yes,
But it drives really well.
I know.
I'm actually getting scared.
You're getting scared?
Yeah, I
Because
feel-
there's no barrier.
I'm feeling extremely uncomfortable. I need to close my eyes.
Mom,
Just go to sleep.
Why are they not having a barrier?
Barrier.
They don't have a barrier.
Okay, should I turn it to Mad Max so it's more scary?
No, thank you. I want to not have a heart attack.
Here, there's barriers
Mom,
now.
I almost got a heart
Look,
attack.
it turned off the lights.
Mommy,
That's so
I almost
nice.
got a heart attack.
Okay.
And then I almost passed out.
From when?
Mom, I
From
almost...
what?
Mom,
Mhm.
I almost passed out because of the pain.
When? From what?
My cramp.
Cramp?
I've been having it... I had my cramp since we...
Like your leg?
Yeah, like over here. I had a cramp since every time you were
It's
driving.
moving the light. Look at that.
I'm actually scared.
Uh-oh, somebody stopped here.
We are so high.
We're so high.
And he's scared of heights.
He's scared
Stop
of
at marshmallow.
Marshmallow. What is
Actually,
happening?
do you know how
See how well the car drives itself?
Like 1,000 feet tall. I mean,
And as long as I'm looking out the windshield, it doesn't care that I'm recording holding my phone like this too.
Can you drive now? Because I'm
You want me to drive?
Can you drive now? Because I'm.
If I drive, you'll be more scared.
Well, I'm getting a heart attack. I'm getting a heart attack.
Okay.
I'm getting.
Alright, so we're almost at the top of the mountain. There were random like rock slide things that were in the road, and the car knew to dodge them, so it's very smart. It knows to go around all the rocks. It doesn't just drive over it like some people.
Car, go.
Car, go.
Like
What?
Go straight.
Go straight off the cliff?
No, like straight where it's going. Turn.
Straight where it's going.
Light.
Look how far we are from the city now.
Like our house is over there.
Car's doing a really good job driving all the way up the mountain. We're almost at the
Our
observatory.
house is literally over there, right?
You can see some of the stars
Is
there.
our house over there?
Probably. That's a really big portion of the cities.
Yeah, that's a lot of light. I see our.
Almost there.
Uncle Ben, why is the stars following us?
Why are the stars following us? Because they're really far away. So one thing to take note of, there's no signal out here at all. So the full self-driving for the Tesla does not rely on any kind of outside signal for it to drive on its own. Unlike Waymo and stuff like that, they need to be connected to like cell towers and all that, or whatever they use, so that the remote operators can take over and do things. But the Tesla full self-driving, it does not need to be connected to anything. It doesn't need any of the data. Oh, there's a like rabbit or something. But yeah, you don't need any kind of connection to the network. It's running completely off the computer itself. So even in the middle of nowhere, in a tunnel, wherever there's like no signal, nothing at all, the vehicle will drive on its own, because the brains are actually in the computer, in the car itself. So it's not trying to talk back to a server somewhere and trying to figure out from them what to do. So with the red light flashing thing you saw in the news, Teslas don't have that issue.